Sahajasti, natural and authentic in me affirms natural and authentic in you. Second chakra or life chakra is called Swadhisthana in Sanskrit language. Swadhisthana means becoming the master of my own life. Why it is called becoming the master of my own life? Because this chakra is of life's force or energy, which governs all activities in our life. As we discovered earlier, first and second chakra, they form our body and its energy. First chakra is about matter and death. Second chakra is about energy and life. And in body, death, and life, they move, happen simultaneously. Without life, there is no death. Without death, there is no life. It is located in the pubic area around the genitals, reproduction. So some people connect it with sex. Yes, second chakra is connected with sex, but it is not all about sex. Some people are asexual. They don't have a desire for sex, but still in them, life energy, second chakra is fully active. So if I'm able to retain control over my second chakra, I will remain the controller of my life. But actually, most of us lose control, and that control is taken over by culture and society. That is why sex became taboo in most of the culture, and still it is not completely free from it. So, second chakra is my unique energy, original life energy, or you can say the Kundalini energy, which was located between first and second chakra, is manifesting fully at this chakra. But because I'm not in control, so it remains partially blocked. If this energy is completely freed, I will be free from any taboos about sex, about my unique energy. It will run through my whole body, brain, mind, make me very passionate and creative person, a total lover of life. But that doesn't happen in many people because the energy is knotted, twisted, partially blocked. First chakra was about the survival of the individual. Second chakra is about survival of the species, because through the sex and reproduction, we create children who carry on the species, survival of it. So, second chakra is of great fundamental importance. The element of this chakra is water. That is why the affirmation is I move. At first chakra, the affirmation was I live, because death was there. At second chakra, I live, but now I want to move. I want to take action. That is what is movement is all about. And the element of water or second chakra is connected with taste. Why? If our tongue is dry, if it is not wet, we cannot taste anything. In order to taste, the food particle or whatever we are eating has to be dissolved in saliva, and then our taste buds will perceive the sense of taste. So it is connected with tongue and taste. The beauty of sex is that through this we can access our total life's energy. That is why in Tantra, sex became important. So that means whenever we perform sex, there is a possibility that we will able to open our Kundalini fully. But usually that doesn't happen because very rarely or only few times we enter into sex fully. There is always a little problem, either because of the past experiences or worry about future or whatever our culture said, that partially blocks the complete fulfillment of the sex. If sex can be fully realized, it will or it can open Kundalini fully. And because all of us do it, so this is one of the very good method for Kundalini stimulation. But as I said, because we have so many problems around the sex, that in French language, it is called mini death. The orgasm is a mini death. Actually, it doesn't happen very often. So that is the beauty of this chakra, control of our life, fully awakening the Kundalini, and opening of other chakra because of the force of the energy. So now I would like to show some slides to understand more. So this is the location of the second chakra, Swadhisthana, sex and life energy, near the reproduction area, pubic bone. The meaning means becoming my own master. And energy of second chakra can awaken our body. We can call it body's wisdom. And we can see the world through three different ways. Sensuous, when world is felt through senses, not by intellect. Sensual, when body is filled with rapture and bliss, almost like mild orgasm. And then sexual, when rapture and bliss is reduced to few moments. So the whole idea of second chakra opening is move from sexual to sensual to sensuous. It is also connected with fascia, the largest organ in the body, which covers all body tissues. So whenever we talk about meridian, channels, energy flow, all that happens in the fascia. And according to some, fascia is the most primitive, the most ancient brain type. It connects every single part of the body to every single other part of the body. So when second chakra is awakened, we feel energy throughout the body because of the fascia. This chakra is a little more complex. It has 6 dimensions, 6 directions, or 6 frequencies. As you can see, number of petals in this lotus. It is still connected with the reptilian brain because it is responsible for the body. The first chakra was for the survival of the individual, and second one is survival of species. And the endocrine gland which is connected with this are ovaries and testes, because those produce sex hormones, reproduction, and help in sex. This is a bigger view of the chakras. And second chakra, as you can see, the affirmation is I move, element of water. And then this is the summing up of the second chakra: energy, body, sensations, lowest part of the brain. It remains unconscious. We cannot become fully conscious of it. Survival of the species and sex. Element is water. Still, we are not individualizing. Connected with earth religions. There is no time. Timeless. And also, it is the chakra of Hatha Yoga and Tantra. And you can see during the sex, actually, our brain comes together. It functions as one unit. It is a very beautiful moment. And if sex finally is able to awaken the second chakra, then the whole body is filled with energy. Actually, it experiences a very gentle form of orgasm in whole body that is called sensual body. So sex is sacred, sex is beautiful, because in Tantra they say what makes us fall will elevate us. Whenever there is a poison, and a small quantity of poison if we consume, it becomes medicine. All medications are nothing else but a small quantity of poison. And these are the practices: breathing, meditation, chanting, and affirmation. So, to summarize, second chakra, life energy, sex. If we take control, we become the master, but usually we lose control as we are growing children. Society, culture, and other factors take over our life. Idea of awakening of the second chakra is to take control of our life, our potentialities, and also becoming fully passionate to fulfill our life. Sahajasti.